Welcome to PGEUP. Today we are going to show you how to monetize your YouTube channel with ebooks. And even if you don't have an ebook of your own, I am going to show you how you can find ebooks for free and sell them for any price that you want. So without wasting time, let's get started. So the first thing to do is to go to this website right here, freeplrdownload.com. So this particular website provides you with a lot of free ebooks that you can sell all by yourself, all for free. As you can see, there are also free software, free videos, and free articles on this website. But we are going to be concentrating specifically on ebooks. Remember, you need to use what is connected to your YouTube niche so that people can easily buy the book after watching your video. So you can go up here, in their search bar, and type in a specific niche you want to download and hit enter. And you will see that specific topic. But for this video, we are going to be using this book, for example, the Public Safety Patrol book. As you can see, the book is about introducing public safety patrol, keeping kids safe from the big bad world. Inside this ebook, you will discover topics about stranger danger, school bus safety, playground safety, and public hygiene. So all you need to do is click on this book, right here, and you will land on this page. All you need is to scroll all the way down, and right here where it says download, click right here. And once you click, you will see a page looking like this, and all you need to do is put in your email address, your first name, your last name, your username and password, and confirm your password, and click on download now right here. And the downloadable link will be sent to your email address directly. So once you have the ebook sent to your email address, all you need to do next is to go to this website right here, gumroad.com. This is a website where people sell all kinds of digital products. To get started, click right here where it says start selling. Sign up with Facebook or Twitter. So just create an account, which is very easy and free. And once you are done, you will land on this page right here. All you need to do is click right here where it says new product. And you will land on this page right here. And all you need to do on this page is to put in the name of the product right here and put in the price of the product right here. And once you are done, click on next. If you click on next, you will land on this page right here. As you can see, what are you creating? So all you need to do is put in the name of the product right here, the description right here. So all you can do is go back to the ebook and copy the description of the book and paste it right here. And right here you can put in the thumbnail of the picture. So all you need to do is download the picture of the ebook, go back and click right here, and upload it on this website as the thumbnail. And right down here, this is where you can upload the ebook you downloaded. So just click right here and upload. It is very easy to do. So once you are done, scroll down and put in the summary right here. Tell the people what they will be getting once they download the ebook. And right down here is where you can add more details by calling out important features of your product that help your customers decide to buy your product. And once you are done, click right up here where it says publish. And once you are done, you will be given a link to use on your YouTube channel. So all you need to do is copy the link that will be given to you once you publish the video and use it in your description. And you can direct people to buy the ebook or product by clicking on your link in the description of your video. So, guys, that's how you can monetize your YouTube channel without being monetized by YouTube. Guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.